Do you need ideas for desserts when you have guests over for the holiday season? I have two that I always fall back on, especially around the holidays, because they're red and green and they're super yummy, super quick, and easy. So watch this. We will use half a cup of sugar, cream cheese. Mix it together in the bowl. Half a cup of sugar, 8 ounces of cream cheese softened. We're gonna mix that with a little mixer after you hope it's soft enough. So mix the sugar with the cream cheese until it's nice and blended, nice and smooth. Then we'll add 8 ounces of Cool Whip. And this will be the middle of the cheesecake. So easy, so fast, and so yummy. Now this part we just fold in. I bought a 9-inch graham cracker crust. I like to use the ones that say 2 extra servings, but they didn't have any. So you can make your own pie crust, but I did it the fast and easy way and just bought one. So we fold this mixture together till it's totally blended, and so it'll be so yummy and creamy. I want it totally smooth with no lumps. I love it when you can just make a yummy dessert without any baking. All you have to do is just combine the ingredients and let it set in the fridge. And by the time you're ready to serve it, it's ready. This was my sister's recipe long ago. I've seen it since many times, a little bit of different variations. Whoop. Yeah, a little bit bigger pie shell would probably do better. This is going to be pretty full, but also yummy. Yeah, there we go. Spread that nice and smooth in there. And it looks like the cherries are just about going to be overdoing it. So if you can use a bigger crust, go for it. Of course, you don't have to put all this in there either. You can do it however you want, but this is just so simple. It's one of my favorites. Cherry cheesecake with cream cheese, Cool Whip, half a cup of sugar, and that's the middle. Put it in a pie crust and top it with cherry pie filling or whatever flavor you'd like. The cherry is so pretty for the holidays. Look at that. Oh, goodness. Delicious. Okay, that's item number 1. Quick, yummy, so easy. Okay, the next one is even easier. Okay. This recipe calls for pistachio pudding, half cup pecans, half cup of miniature marshmallows, Cool Whip, and crushed pineapple. That's all that it is, just mixed together. My mom always served this around the holidays, and it's called Watergate salad. The reason it's called that is because it was served in the Watergate Hotel, from what I hear, back in the 60s. But it is absolutely delicious no matter what name you go by. So, for this one, I'm gonna mix it right in this bowl. It looks really pretty if you have a clear glass little bowl on a stand or something. I couldn't find mine. I think I gave it away. So we're just putting it in this pretty white bowl tonight. Okay, just dump your, what is this? 3.4 ounce pudding, pistachio, dry. Do not make it. Just put the dry mix in there. Okay. Then we're going to pour the crushed pineapple and mix that. Just like that. That's how simple it is. I don't really care for pistachio pudding, but I love this. With the Cool Whip, it's not very strong. It's just yummy with pecans and little marshmallows. So I mix everything together before I add in the Cool Whip. Calls for half a cup of miniature marshmallows. I always overdo a little bit, but I'm just gonna put some in. And calls for half a cup of pecans. Maybe I'll halfway measure it just to be sure I have enough here. These are they're not really chopped that small, but they'll still be good in there. Then we're gonna mix that in. So it's just 3 ingredients so far: pecans, marshmallows, crushed pineapple, and pistachio pudding. Then we just fold in 8 ounces of Cool Whip, and you have a Watergate salad. And let me tell you, it is yummy. If you have Martino cherries, they look real pretty just to put a touch of red in it, you know, when you serve it, for that green and red. But beside this pie, it's beautiful with our green and reds together. 2 very fast, very easy, and absolutely very delicious, quick recipes for the holidays. I like quick, I like easy, and these are definitely both of those, and absolutely delicious. So then you just mix this in and put these in the fridge, both of them, for a couple hours, and they're ready to go. If you have any questions on this, just drop me a line and I will clarify anything you need. Okay, I just want to get it all mixed in really good. Oh, getting that yummy. Can you imagine with just a few little Martino cherries sprinkled on the top? That would be pretty, wouldn't it? But it's still beautiful and yummy. There you have it. Cherry cheesecake and Watergate salad. Not a salad at all, really. Very, very yummy. Okay, it's been in the fridge and set up, and it's time to taste it. Watergate salad. Mmm. Perfect. Pie could have set up a little bit longer. Still yummy. Mmm. Perfect. Don't forget these beautiful, yummy, fast desserts for your holiday guest. Remember, make your home your happy place.